How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to activate professional mode on your Facebook. So first things first, open up your Facebook app and then go to the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on your profile. Now here beside edit profile, you'll see three dots. Select that option and scroll down here. You'll find turn on professional mode. Tap on it and then just tap on turn on. And then you'll need to do the necessary setups to turn on the professional mode. And then just choose your default audience and then you can hit next. And now you can just change the default audience settings, and then that's it. Now your professional mode on Facebook is all set up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.